Hey everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Solo, and today we're going to be talking about another product that I received from Andar. But if you haven't already checked out my previous video showcasing their AirPods case, go check that out real quick. I'm going to put a link somewhere in this video around here. So today we're going to be talking about the Andar Ranger Wallet. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we got the case right here, Andar, the Ranger. So let's open it up. Alright. Oh, this is cool. So you got like a nice little cloth pouch that it comes in, nice and protected. Toss that to the side. So first we have a thank you card. And on the back it has like a nice little coupon and socials and everything. But that's not that important right now. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. They say you could fit about 10 cards in here. They also have 4 card slots. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right now I have about 5 different cards. I'm just gonna put them inside and show you how they look. So we got here 1, 2, put 1 in there, 3, and what about the other one? 4. Got an extra card, I'm gonna let that sit right there for a minute. So with just the 4 cards, if you don't really carry a lot of stuff, then this is how thick it is. Pretty low profile, pretty slim. Now let's put some cash in here. They also have this little cash spot. When I first saw the wallet online, I thought that this would come as like a spandex elastic material, but I was actually quite satisfied when I noticed that this material is also leather too. Gives it a nice feel and it looks very smooth and sleek. So the cash just slides in like so. Got the big bucks here. It's pretty secure. It won't shake out or anything like that. As you can see, didn't really add that much bulk to the actual wallet. It still looks pretty slim. Also guys, check out the stitching on this wallet. Pure craftsmanship. I like it a lot. You can tell that they really put a lot of time and effort and care into the stitching of this wallet so that their wallet will last a long time. Also, another thing that's really cool is this hidden feature right here, this pull tab. I never really knew I needed a feature like this until I actually tried out this wallet. So I'm just gonna basically show you what it is. So you can put about 5 cards in here. I only have 2 for the time being. But what you can do is you pull up on that little tab and it brings your cards out. So cards that you normally wouldn't use that often, but sometimes you may need to use it and get to it quickly, you can put them all in here, and when you do need to use it, pull the tab, take them out. Good to go. So just a quick little recap, this wallet holds about 10 cards, it could possibly hold a little bit more. Right now I have a total of about 5 cards in the wallet and it's still this, thick. It's pretty slim and minimal to me. Also, it's RFID protected, so you don't have to worry about people scanning your wallet and stealing those cards. I like the low profile, I like the minimalist design of the wallet. I like how it's very soft to the touch. It has a great smell to it. And also, it's full grain, crazy horse vintage leather. So after time, you're gonna get a nice patina. And this wallet is really gonna take on some characteristics of its own. This wallet comes in about 5 different colors. You got olive gray, black, saddle brown, tan, and dark brown. I went with the tan color because I like it to be more of like a natural colorway, but it's all basically up to your own personal preference. Whatever you want, they got it online. Overall guys, it's just a real great wallet and I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the review of this product. If you liked it, check out the link down below in the description. Also, go check out some previous videos that I made of some other products that I got from Andar. I think you guys will really like that one. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.